Good morning, friends. Let us continue from our last lecture. As you see, this is the interface of Excel, and we click on a blank workbook to enter the Excel platform. Now you see this Excel sheet is in a row and column format. The data can be entered in the rows or columns as you can see, and there are by default 3 sheets on the bottom. You can see you can have more or less number of sheets as you desire, but we'll see that in the future classes. If you want to have a good look and you can zoom it from here, you can follow the mouse symbol in the bottom. You can zoom it like this. Let us try to enter some data and see what happens. Let us say numerical data, or let us say a text data like. And now you see there is a mouse symbol on the screen. We have the white plus mouse. This is basically all the selection symbol of the mouse, and this is used to select the number of cells like this. If you have to have multiple cells select geographical locations, you can click a cell, press a control key, and you can select multiple cells at different locations like this. This is basically a selection symbol. Then if you select the Excel video, this cell where it is written, then you see on the lower corner right bottom, there is a plus sign. This is called a drag and copy symbol, and this symbol can drag out whatever you see on the left or on the right like this. This is the drag and copy. And if you see on the boundaries of the selection area, there is a mouse symbol with arrows, 4 arrows pointing in 4 different directions. This is the drag and move symbol. With using this symbol, you can drag out any data from one place to another. Let us say using the selection symbol, we select out this data and we would like to move it to some other location. Then we can drag it to some other location. This is the basic of what we need to understand about the platform of Excel.